Ozone is A. Before going to see the answer, I will explain some concept related to ozone. Ozone is powerful oxidizing agent and it is next to F2. After F2, O3 is one of the powerful oxidizing agent, but it is much stronger than dioxygen. Next to F2, but it is much stronger than the dioxygen. This is due to the reason that ozone has higher energy content than dioxygen. This is reason why it is having the stronger oxidizing power than dioxygen. The reason is ozone has higher energy content than dioxygen and hence decomposes to give dioxygen and atomic oxygen. Ozone decomposes to give dioxygen, that is O2, and atomic oxygen O. This atomic oxygen which is liberated, that brings about the oxidation. The atomic oxygen which is liberated, that brings about the oxidation. So O3 is powerful oxidizing agent next to F2 but more stronger than dioxygen. The reason is ozone has a higher energy content than dioxygen and hence decomposes to give dioxygen and atomic oxygen. This atomic oxygen which is liberated brings about the oxidation. So here A, C, D options are wrong. And remember one more point, that is ozone can be used as a disinfectant. So for the given question, the answer is option B.